2020 for newest NOAA Emergency Weather Radio. 4,000 mAh weather alert radio, solar charging, hand crank and USB charged, AM, FM radio with LED flashlight, reading lamp, SOS alarm, headphone jack for outdoor. Brand Natigo, color red. Special feature flashlight, reading lamp, SOS alarm, headphone jack, hurricane must-haves. Survival gear and equipment, AM, FM, WB radio, emergency kit flashlight, reading lamp, SOS alarm, headphone jack, hurricane must-haves. Survival gear and equipment, AM, FM, connectivity technology USB. Product dimensions 5.31L, X to point to 8W, X to 0.68H. Tuner technology AM, FM, WB, NOAA. Style emergency weather radio. Power source rechargeable battery powered, hand crank, solar powered. Radio band supported FM, WB, AM. Included components: user manual X1, lanyard by 1, emergency weather radio X1, USB charging cable by 1, continuous power supply, emergency radio is always at the ready. The powerful weather radio has 3 charging options, with a 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery that can be charged via USB cable, solar panel or hand crank. More convenient and reliable for instant, automatic, all-day messaging about weather alerts. Remains operational in the event of an emergency power outage. Practical and portable. Compact emergency radio with standard analog tuning for AM, FM, WB, 7. Preset NOAA weather channels. Excellent reception and clear sound. Easily listen to your favorite radio. AM radio 5 to 01710 kHz. FM band 87 to 108 MHz. WB radio 160 to 0.40 to 160 to 0.55 MHz. It's small enough to fit in your pocket and listen whenever and wherever you want. Awesome multifunction. Multifunction radio with an ultra-bright LED flashlight and retractable 180-degree rotating reading lamp keeps you out of the dark during emergency power outages or at night. Loud SOS alarm and eye-catching flashing light to call for help in emergency to escape from any danger. 3.5mm headphone jack for you to enjoy the radio. NOAA Weather Alert Radio. Emergency weather radio receives severe weather alerts, allowing you to prepare and stay safe in advance of impending natural disasters such as hurricanes, tornadoes, typhoons, rainstorms, fires, blizzards, sandstorms, tsunamis, floods, and more. Portable radio with waterproof and drop-proof. Designed for durability even in harsh conditions. NOAA weather alerts can only be received when the radio is turned on and the WB band is selected. Emergency survival radio, hand crank radio, is a smart way to listen to important weather or news updates. Placed in luggage, suitcases, and emergency kits as survival gear and equipment. The solar crank radio can charge your phone, tablet, and USB devices to provide emergency power. It is your must-have companion for home, travel, camping, fishing, cycling, hiking, driving, climbing, ascending, and exploring. Additional features include hardware interface USB Type-C, 3.5mm audio, frequency 108 MHz, compatible devices: earphone, tablet, headphone, smartphone. Number of batteries to lithium-ion batteries required.